do you feel daring?
All right, 3D.
Balls.
Balls. That is so cool, man. Uh-oh, something popped off.
Something popped off?
Yeah, uh-oh. Might have been, my battery.
I'm not surprised. I'm going to get on the sim.
Yeah?
It's like I'm instinctively wanting to go all the way down the throttle, but all that does is engage the negative thrust.
The important question is my battery okay?
I do not see any cuts or damage.
I'm just kidding, come on. So you gonna let me try it?
Feel lucky?
I do. I think I might have a knack for this.
Bring a change of pants.
Or I'm just very overconfident, which could be the case. Okay.
You want to try to hover at line of sight first?
Yeah. Oh, right. So you bring it down the middle, then you... Oh, that's gonna mess me up.
Do they have 3D on Velocidrone?
Oh, probably. Zoe FPV, I admire you so much. This crash is for you.
A lot of respect to the 3D people that can do this.
Oh, absolutely. Oh, Lord. Okay, so far, it flies just like a regular.
Can you flip it over?
Yeah.
Wow!
I'm good.
I'm recording, right?
Is that impressive?
That was wow.
It's nerve-wracking.
Yes, it is.
So I'm gonna hover it half and then cut it. Oh my goodness. I did a lot better than I thought I would.
Yeah. Wow.
Thanks for trusting me with your quad. I think I want to try that again sometime with my own. But yeah, you know those big drops that I've done with just a regular setup?
Yeah.
Where I go up high and then just, I love doing that. And so I guess I've done that enough to where I'm kind of used to being upside down.
But it's
getting it back around. That's because anybody can go up, flip over, and crash a little bit in 3D. But
that was
I was proud of myself there.
That was good.
Not a bad first try at 3D flying. Hey, I just want to let everybody know that yes, I will be in Ocean City for the 3rd annual meetup. December 26th with Henry in front of Shriver's in Ocean City, New Jersey on the boardwalk at noon. The first year, a few people came out. Hey, there we are. We're all in the shot. Are we all in the shot?
I don't know.
Okay. We'll get in the shot, man.
Geez, Louise,
everybody
wait.
get in. Come on, I got Lucy.
It's got to go behind.
I got Lucy. Okay, there we are. Man, this is. Introduce yourselves, everyone.
Hey, I'm Steve.
Yep,
hey.
That's out of hell with it. Second year, more people came out. Check this out. So many people showed up. I can't believe it. Look everybody. Look at all these people that came, and you all came to meet me. Me, little me. What's that?
We came to see Henry.
Of course, yeah. Henry's in the car. He's okay. And of course, they wanted to meet you. You're the star, buddy. You're YouTube famous. How do you feel about that? He's very humble. So we'll see you. Hopefully you can make it out to Ocean City, December 26th at noon, day after Christmas, with Henry. And I'll come too. You want to say it? Buh and bye. Very good. So you were watching it, right? You weren't in the goggles. You were watching it.
I was watching it. You were like zooming off that direction, and I couldn't see the light, so I'm like, oh crap.
So you knew I was upside down,
Yeah.
and I knew if I was falling to slam the throttle down so I could go up and get enough to.
You were going up all right.
I knew if I could get it the horizontal even, slam it, throttle down to get the altitude, then I could easily flip back around and land.
Yeah, that was good.
Oh man.
That was really good.
Thanks.